So when the fatty acids get broken down to the fatty acids and glycerol, first the glycerol gets converted into the PGL. And what is PGL? Glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate, and it is not the phosphoglyceric acid given in during the glycolysis, and it's not even any, you see there is no phosphoglyceric acid. It is a 3 phosphoglyceric acid. There is no phosphoglyceric acid, it is stated. This one is 1,3 bis phosphoglyceric acid. This one is we are talking about glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate. This one is the PGL, and this one is the BPGL, that is the concise form, but there is no phosphoglyceric acid in here. This one is a 3 phosphoglyceric acid. 3 phosphoglyceric acid, that we mark on the 3 side. So this one is the 3 phosphoglyceric acid. And you see, so in the both the lactic and alcohol fermentation, that is the anaerobic respiration, not much energy is released. Less than 7% of the energy in glucose is released, and not all of it is trapped as energy bonds in the form of ATP. So less than 7%, remember, in both lactic acid and alcohol fermentation. So it is the NADH plus H plus, which is a reducing agent, and it is reoxidized to Na8D plus. And so during the lactic acid fermentation, pyruvic acid to lactic acid, there is no release of CO2, and but but there is a release of CO2 and ethanol during the alcoholic fermentation. And it is stated by, like, the enzymes pyruvic acid decarboxylase, that is CO2 release, and alcohol dehydrogenase, that is the formation of alcohol. And during the lactic acid, it is a lactate dehydrogenase, no CO2 is involved. So this is the fermentation where NADH plus H plus reduce the pyruvic acid into lactic acid. Pyruvic acid gets reduced and this gets reoxidized. So NADH plus H plus is a reducing agent, and this is here the reducing agent is NADH plus H plus, which is reoxidized to NAD plus in both the processes. Alcoholic fermentation as well as lactic acid fermentation, in both these processes, the reducing agent is NADH plus H plus. And some bacteria produce the lactic acid from pyruvic acid, some bacteria produce the lactic acid from pyruvic acid.